Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Kindly like, share and subscribe La Educator. Today our topic of chemistry is metals. We will study about the properties of metals. Metals are the elements that are electropositive in nature. Electropositive means they lose electron and make cations. For example, copper, iron, aurum, argentum, sodium, magnesium. These are examples of metals. Nature. Almost all metals except mercury are solid in nature because their atoms are closely packed. Mercury is a metal but it is liquid in nature. Melting and boiling point. All metals have high melting and boiling points. Metallic luster. Luster means shine. All metals possess metallic luster and their surfaces can be polished. As you can see in the picture, this is a picture of a metal and you can see the luster of this. Luster means shine of this metal. Malleable. All metals are malleable. Malleable means they can be hammered. As you can see in this picture, metals can be hammered and converted into sheets or any different shapes. They are ductile. Ductile means they can drawn into sheets or wires. Here you can see that the metal is converted into the form of a wire. Conductivity. Metals are good conductor of heat and electricity. They are very good conductor and conductivity of heat and electricity both. As they are mostly solid, so they have high densities. Hardness. Except potassium and sodium, all metals are hard. Here you can see in the picture the sodium metal. Sodium metal is in the form of solid, but it is not hard, it is soft and it can be cut with the help of a knife. Electropositivity. Electropositivity means that metals can easily lose electron and form cations. This property is called electropositivity. You can see in the diagram that sodium atom is converted into sodium ion. All metals are electropositive. Reaction with oxygen. Metals readily react with oxygen to form basic oxides. Basic oxides mean when they are dissolved in water, they form bases. Metals form ionic compound as they are electropositive and they form cations, so they usually form ionic compounds. They have metallic bonding. Metallic bonding means the force that hold atoms together in a metallic substance. The atoms that the electrons leave behind become positive ion, and the interaction between such ions and valence electron give rise to the cohesive or binding force that holds the metallic crystal together. So these are the main properties of metal. I hope you could understand it. Thank you.